special song. Listen. The fox went out on a rainy night.
Oh, the fox went out rainy. No, that isn't right.
Sorry.
Oh, the fox went out on a stormy night, prayed for the moon to give him light. Many a mile to go that night, for glory reached the town, oh, town, oh, town, oh. Many a mile to go that night, before it reached the town, oh. He ran and he ran till he came to the pen where the ducks and the geese were put therein. So many of you will grease my chin before I reach the town, oh, town, oh, town, oh. Many of you will grease my chin before I reach the town, oh. He threw a duck across his back. Pardon? He ran and he ran till he came to the pen where the ducks and the geese were put therein. So many of you will grease my chin. I had to grease my chin on the last verse. Before I reach the town, oh, town, oh, town, oh. Many of you will grease my chin before I reach the town, oh. He threw a duck across his back. He didn't mind their quack, quack, quack. No, that isn't right.
I don't remember the words. I learned it singing.
What, honey, can you help me? He grabbed a gray goose by the neck, threw a duck across his back. He didn't mind their. Can you say that with me? There. Come on, oh. There you go. And legs all dangling down, oh, down, oh, down, oh. He didn't mind her. And the legs all dangling down, oh. Oh, mother flipper flopper. Jumped out of bed. Grabbed a baby. No.
Ran to the window, cocked her head.
Went to the window and cocked her head. Oh, mother flipper flopper jumped out of bed, ran to the window and cocked her head. Crying, John, John, the gray goose is dead, the fox is on the down, oh, down, oh, down, oh. John, John, the gray goose is dead, and the fox is on the town, oh. Now, John got back to his house. How did he get back there?
John ran after the fox or something.
Fox ran back to his dad and ate the goose with a fork in it.
I'm sorry, but I don't remember the words of that.
This is the worst you've ever done it, Dad.
I know it. Oh, the fox and he ran. Ran till he came to the den. There were the little ones, 8, 9, 10. They said, Daddy, better go back again, 'cause it must be a mighty fine town, oh, town, oh, town, oh. They said, Daddy, better go back again, 'cause it must be a mighty fine town, oh.
And they ate it with a fork and a knife, like they said.
That's right. Now, how'd they get to eating it? Oh, when the fox without any strife cut up the goose with a fork and knife. They never had such a supper in their life, and the little one chewed on the bones, oh, bones, oh, bones, oh. They never had such a supper in their life, and the little ones chewed on the bones, oh.
He has that song book upstairs in the bottom.
Oh, that Burl Ives book.
Burl Ives got it.
Well, what's the other one you used to sing for me when I was a little boy?
Read the words and.
What was another one that I used to sing for you?
There's another one you used to
Was
sing.
it about the cat came back? Cat came
Nope.
back?
That's one he.
That's something I
That's
learned
what you
when I
sang
was-
to them?
When I was something I learned when I was taking guitar lessons. It was on folk songs or something.
Oh, you remember I told you about the yodeling song? Now you listen very carefully because it's a good song and you have to learn to yodel. I had a gal, and what a pal, and her name was Sadie Brown. I took her out to ride about while the moon was shining down. We sat alone when we got home, out in the old porch swing, and the my dear little miss would give me a kiss when sweetly to her I would sing. Yo-lay-lay, oh my lady, oh, won't you be my bride? How's that?
You never sang that to me when I was a kid.
Aren't you glad?
Was it, some, one of those
Something
Burl
else
Ives
about a
songs?
goose, yeah.
What?
Something else about a goose.
Oh. I don't know, other than just
Make a feather bed or something.
make a feather bed. Oh, it's just a regular old.
I never sang one about a feather bed, but there was a song about Grandma's feather bed.
No.
John Denver song.
No. This one was about something about a goose I've been saving to make that feather bed. Having a milk on it or something.
Go tell Aunt Rhodey. Go tell Aunt Rhodey, go tell Aunt Rhodey, go tell Aunt Rhodey that the old gray goose is dead. The one that I've been saving, one that I've been saving, one that I've been saving to make a feather bed. Do you remember any more words to it? She died in the mill pond, she died in the mill pond, she died in the mill pond, a standing on her head.
How can you die in the milk pond standing on your head?
You drown.
On your head?
If you stand on your head underwater, you drown.
Oh.
If you stay there.
Or if you get down on your knees and the water's over your head, you still drown. Doesn't matter.
I knew the first verse. Go tell that room
Just sing it for us.
Where'd you learn it? I don't really know it. Where'd you learn it? It's in our songbook, piano songbook.
Where's the first verse?
It's in that Burl Ives book too.
It's you know our piano books, Dad, that you taught in Lulu? Those books in primer level. They got the first one.